Good morning everyone and welcome to Trade Talk podcast. On Tuesday we saw a spectacular rally in almost all the indices of US market. S&P 500 managed to surpass the level of 5500 and it closed about the same, which is positive. Global macros at an unchanged levels, but there is like specific statement from Mr. Powell which is supporting to the which is going to support equity markets in the medium to long term. However, if we go through with our markets, then GIFT Nifty is suggesting us that we are also going to see higher opening by nearly 125 points, and it is mainly because of specific news flow for the HDFC Bank, where the FI's shareholding reduced below 55%, and that will actually help MSCI to increase their exposure in the said stock. So that will actually help HDFC Bank, and currently its ADR is up nearly 4.4%, which will help HDFC Bank to open somewhere close to 1800 levels. That will help index, I mean to say Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, to open higher. And after opening to the levels of 24,000, let's say 300, we need to see that whether the market sustains above the same or not, because based on extensions 24,300 going to act as major resistance for the market, and there we should look for reducing some long positions. But yes, in case if we see the market is closing above the levels of 24,300, then the next level to watch out for would be 24,500. On the downside, 24,000 is the next best support level for the market, and if we see the market is rejecting or failing to sustain about 24,300, then again we could see the levels of 24,000 in next 1 or 2 days of time. So we need to be little bit like stock specific in this market. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw weakness throughout the day on Tuesday. However, based on the news flow, we could see the levels of 52,800 or 53,000 at the beginning. Crossing 53,200 will help Bank Nifty to move towards 54,000 in the near term. But close to 53,000 levels, look for reducing some long positions, or buying is advisable only if there is any correction in the market. Apart from these two major indices, metals and mining stocks should be on the watch list, because most of these stocks are at their important support levels. They are not breaking to the same, rather we are seeing some reversal activity. So that will help Tata Steel as well as Jindal Steel and Power and Hindalco to do well in the near term. Oil and gas stocks saw some profit taking at higher levels, and they were like on the sideways correction on Tuesday, but we are expecting this particular space to do well in the near term, and we need to focus on stocks like GAIL, NTPC as well as a few other stocks related to the gas like Petronet, LNG. For cement stocks, again stock specific activity is more likely, and IT stocks did really well on Tuesday. Infosys, Tech Mahindra, on which we were bullish, they did really well. We are expecting further more activity from these two stocks, along with Wipro, which is forming some positive formation on daily weekly basis. So there we are expecting medium to long term trend much better than other IT companies, but yes, it is completely based on its technical formation. That's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.